Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to use a voice changer on Roblox. First up, we need to download Clownfish voice changer. So here, go to the new tab and search for Clownfish voice changer and then press enter. So here, as you can see all the results, so basically you can find the Clownfish website. But if you can't see the Clownfish website right here, all you need to do is we're going to the URL box right there at the top and manually type the website. So here you can type clownfish-translator.com and then /voice changer and then press enter, and then you'll be directly go to the main website. So as you can see, now here you just need to click on the download tab right there at the top. And once you click this one, you can close all the ads. And then here you can select the latest version, which is the V1.85. So we can download the 64-bit or 32-bit, depending on the computer that you are using. So in my case, I'm going to select this one. And then we're going to wait until downloading is completed. Now, once done, click on the folder to open up this exe file. So double click this one to install the setup. Click yes. And then from here, you will then click next. And then select the destination folder. So in my case, I'm going to select drive D. All right, I'm going to select specific folder. For example, this one here, and then click OK, and then click next, and click install. So once done installing, you just have to double click this one. And as you can see, you just have to click yes to completely install. And then here, go to the arrow at the bottom right. And then as you can see, you will find the Clownfish voice changer icon, and then right click this one. And then here, you just have to select the setup. So here you will find all the settings and click on system integration. Now here, as you can see, you will find here the settings. So make sure that the right microphone is being used. So just click install into the mic you want to use. And once done, you just have to click on close. So here, as you can see, I've just chose the microphone. And once done, you can now open the Roblox. Now let's open any experience that basically you want to play to use the voice changer. So in this case, I'm going to select donate game. And then we're going to click on the play button. So once you are on the gameplay, as you can see, click on the Roblox icon at the top left. And then here, go to the settings tab. And you will need to find the input device. So you can scroll down and find the input device settings. So here, basically, you just have to choose the microphone. So make sure it's the same microphone as the one you set up for Clownfish. So you can click on the arrow button right here, and then right click and then click on set voice changer. So here, basically, you can select any of the voice that you want to use in this gameplay. So you can select any of the voice changer right from here. And then you can also set up the pitch. And then you can go to microphone settings to add some additional settings. And you can clear the effect if you want right here at the bottom left. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.